Hey guys, so today I'm going to reorganize my mom's pantry. It's something I have been just dying to do. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff, boxes on boxes. Right, Lola? She says yes. I am trying my best to give you guys some better videos that are more valuable to you. If you have been wanting to redo a certain part of your house, like this is the video for you. If you want to redo your kitchen pantry, guess what? Watch this video. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a before. This is the kitchen pantry. This is the kitchen pantry. I'm literally dying. I'm editing this video right now, laughing my ass off because what the f, Alyssa? Open up the pantry. Like, you aren't redoing the cabinets. I just opened the pantry door, lady. This is section number 1. It doesn't look so bad from far away. Let me tell you a little something about this pantry. Long gone are the days when this pantry became unorganized. Can't find the coconut sugar? Guess again. Don't know where the allspice is? I'll show you where it is. I mean, guys, this is gonna be the most transformative YouTube video you've ever seen. You will never look at oils in the same way. Cans, c'est la vie. Do you know what I mean? C'est la vie. We are going to redo this hardcore. I just want to say this part looks seriously perfectly organized and I love it, so like, ignore this part.
Alright folks, let's get ready to get down to business. We're about to transform a pantry like you've never seen before.
Here are just some of the beginnings of the organization. So I decided to redo my mom's cabinet after I started losing my mind. I got inspired to redo everything when I redid my mom's office, which is this room. Look at this beautiful picture of me in high school.
Oh my god, is she a princess? Is she royalty?
Anyways, I got very excited and inspired after this room got a little makeover to kind of go into other places in the house and start to just give more order to make my mom's life easier and less stressful.
Because I love my mom.
Then all of a sudden, the home edit premiered on Netflix and I started watching that and I got really inspired. And I had ordered this prior to watching the show, so I didn't get like certain brands that maybe of organizational stuff that she already had. I had already ordered this stuff on Amazon, this food storage. It is BPA free, it came in a 24 pack and it was actually much cheaper than the OXO ones at the Container Store. So I went with these and they came with cool
Chalk labels.
This video is going to be a way for you to reorg whatever space it might be on a budget. So obviously this stuff adds up really quickly and I think that's the cool thing about the home edit is it's amazing to see like, wow, what you can do, but you also have to have a lot of money to buy these organizational containers. This is actually live footage of how many hundreds you need to do the home edit. So you just need to be this girl. Oh yeah, proud rich lady. This is a good way for you guys to see, which I will link in description.
Link in description. Link in description.
Of all the products that I'm going to use in this org, which is great because the Container Store gets expensive and I will tell you things that the Container Store has that you cannot find on Amazon for cheaper, and I did do a price comparison with each and every item. Like these containers and you know, baskets like this. Ooh.
Heavy.
I also made sure that everything is EPA free and safe because we know Amazon can get shisty. Another cool thing about the home edit is obviously they go to the store and they buy a huge haul with their assistants of all this stuff, and then they see what fits, and then I assume they return it. Of course, like, it's not as easy to do that for yourself. Like, you only want to buy what you need. You don't want to like go to the store, like spend all this money on your credit card and then have to go back and return it. So I started with a smaller amount of stuff. If I need more, then I'm gonna order more of the brands that I already like that work.
Lots of talking.
I do want to mention that I'm gonna have to wash all these first because,
As you know,
you don't know where these have been.
prior to putting your food in them.
So hot tip, you heard it here first, folks.
You heard it here first.
Wash your food storage containers before you put food in it. Every size you could possibly imagine. If you thought that there wasn't gonna be enough sizes, guess what?
You were wrong.
There are plenty of sizes for everyone here. Oh, it's recording. Okay. Something that I wanted to add is all of this is definitely not for the faint of heart. I just washed 24 of these and it took me like 30 minutes. A little hot tip, my friend Kelly got me into this when she has to do a lot of cleaning and it feels stressful and you just want to get it done. There is
A Japanese.
state of mind. I feel like I'm going to listen to this while I'm editing and cringe because that's not what it's called, and I will look it up and insert it here. So I'm looking it up here now. It is called Zen cleaning. It is a Buddhist state of mind while you clean. But it's really about being in the moment and cleaning with intention, doing menial tasks around the house with intention, living in the now, being grateful for this object and how it's going to serve you, instead of being rushed, flustered, or frustrated because you have 24 containers to clean and to dry. That's just a little bright, positive tip for my fans on something that I do to not feel overwhelmed. Don't think about the next task you have to do while you're doing another task because it doesn't
Serve you.
It does not serve you. And 2020 is about ridding yourself of the things that don't serve you.
So know that.
I'm gonna read you the whole thing.
The whole thing.
She's organizing these.
Dude, it's gonna be a transformation.
That you've never ever seen before.
And then you're not going to be like, where's this? And what's
Uh,
this?
Exactly, Mom.
I'm going to have a tomato sandwich.
So now I've got everything pretty much organized. I took everything out and put it in sections, grains with grains, flours with flour, and I labeled them with sticky notes because who the can remember what is what? I am so proud of myself, and I just, oh my, look at the thumb. Thumbs up for you and thumbs up for me. God, I look like a teenage boy and I wear my hair like this. Hey fans! So it was a lot of work.
It was not for the faint of heart, but
I got rid of a lot of expired cans. Now we know everything that we have. The pasta section looks wonderful. We have our gluten-free pastas, regular pastas, cans, sauces, so much more space to work with. I'm actually going to move some more things around. This is all the stuff left over I still need to organize. I had to order more product and it has arrived, so here we go. All right, folks, it's official. I have finished the home edit of my mom's pantry. It's time to do the reveal. It went from pure chaos, where's the risotto, I cannot find the rice wine vinegar, to this. Absolute perfection. Everything has a place. Everything has a home. We know where the rice vinegar is. We are happy. The very top row is all of our extra stuff, extra paper products, extra plastic products, extra snackies when we run out. We've also got snacks right below, which is high enough for my dad to get, who you saw earlier. We have our granola bars in this cool separated thing in our little bin basket. And of course, the oils. I mean, let's spin them around on our little Lazy Susans, everyone. This is freaking awesome. I love this thing. I have a double tier one for our spices. This organizer is perfect for spice packets. It has dividers and of course little containers for flaky salt and Himalayan salt. We've also got 2-tiered M Design on Amazon. I will link all of these products in the description so you guys know where to get them. It's great for organizing sauces. You can also do cans, but I have some larger bottles here, so I chose to use this one, and my dad can easily find Lowry salt for barbecuing. This is our dry food section. We've got quinoa, beans, brown rice, white rice. I tried to keep everything in categories. I labeled them so that you could see them. When you pull something out from the front, you will be able to see, oh, there are chia seeds in the back. So this was a fun area for me. We are big popcorn eaters here, so I got a little basket full of movie popcorn. Over here we have more dry items, panko, oatmeal, pilaf. Then I labeled them on the top like you can see in the back so that you don't have to pull something out. You can kind of just peek, oh, there's graham cracker crumbs, oatmeal, etc. Mom uses cans the least, so I put this on the bottom shelf. 3 tiers. You can see everything. This is a perfect spot for us. And then of course pasta galore. I mean, it's gorgeous. Who wants some pasta? On top we have our backload section, all the extras in this really great 2-tier M Design Amazon product where it is stackable, it's clear, and you can put 2 rows of cans. We are continuing down on the baking section. We have all our little nut toppings, cranberry, shredded coconut. We have tapioca flour on the right, as well as any tools for baking that you need. The next shelf is all of our gluten-free flours. We have xanthan gum, potato starch, oat flour, all-purpose gluten-free flour, millet flour. I mean, it's wild how much flour we have here. Clearly, I am really into gluten-free stuff. You can see it never ends. So we have a really large baking section, and possibly we need to pull back on this. Sugar, monk fruit, coconut sugar, these are all low glycemic sugars which I bake with. They don't spike your blood sugar. Lastly, all of our appliances that you need, your mixer, your hand mixer, any parchment paper. This is the section for bakers. So that's it for the reorg transformation of my mom's cabinet. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know. I will do more. This is my first organizational home edit-esque video. I thought this video would never end. It took me
a week to shoot it and days to edit it.
Please show your support by please like and subscribe. To all my fans,
my day ones, I love you endlessly.
Go have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.